Found the parking spot. Signal road, isn't it, son?
Yeah.
It's free and it has views like this. Such a good day. I reckon it's going to be busy today. It's been cloudy the last few days, so I think everyone's going to be out and about doing this today.
That's why we need to get going. Ready?
Yes, boss. So you get a glimpse of Table Mountain now properly, and just see the cable car going up to there. That road,
and loads of mountains over there. I don't know if they'll come out, but it's really pretty.
you can see for miles today. Go and sit down on the bench, Sabine. Not a bad place to put a bench, is it?
Really not. I want to get away from these kids, really. Look at that. How beautiful is that?
Tiny little dots of people on the beach.
It's like, all I keep thinking is, I can't believe I'm in South Africa. Like, I don't know, it's so weird.
Good, isn't
It's
it?
come for so long.
See, the moon's still out, isn't it? The reason it's called the lion's head is apparently from above it looks like the lion's head, not from the side. So from the top it looks like the lion's looking up with its mouth open, and all this bushland is its mane.
And those things with eyelashes, they're saying, isn't it?
Yeah, there's some trees that apparently the eyelashes. So we've reached the steps, which is just going to be straight up Stairmaster, I think. Man, this section's nice. It's in the shade, but I'm already sweating buckets. So hot. Back in the sunshine for another loop. We're basically just spiraling around the peak. But see Robin Island now. Yeah, up and round. It's less of a path now, but more of a, what are you calling it?
Scramble.
Scramble. Have the ladder section. Stairway to Heaven. So there isn't nothing stopping you going that way.
I don't think you have those.
Yeah. Yeah, one
Dan.
wrong slip and probably fatal.
Oh, I don't know, Dan.
Do the stairs.
Jeez.
It's fine. Just like going up the loft.
I think go up the loft.
How you feeling?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's the last little bit.
Last little push.
That's the route we come up, all the way around to here. And the last little bit. Ta-da!
Oh, we made it.
Yeah,
Well
that's
done
it.
us.
Yeah, well done.
Yes!
the second half is brutal.
Yeah.
Like in a good way, but you do need some kind of fitness in there.
Yeah, and it must be like 8:30, 8:45.
Yeah.
And it's roasting and rammed.
Yeah, well,
so I wouldn't do it.
We left at 7:30, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you go earlier, I'd go earlier, but yeah.
Amazing. It is
So
worth
good.
it.
Yeah, we need to have a look. 360 views around here. Yeah. How long did it take us in the end?
About 50 something minutes, I think.
50 minutes.
It's
Probably
good.
be about the same down, I imagine,
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think it's going to be just as tough down.
Yeah. There's a few bits where there's people crossing. You have to give way to people coming up and down, but
And because it's hard, like equally hard, there's like no right, like do you know, like no what do you call
Right
it?
way.
Yeah. But like it's definitely worth it.
there's only one way down, isn't there?
Yeah.
So
Off we go.
we go back down.